Budgets are fantastic for keeping your business goals on track, but what happens when you accidentally build a duplicate spreadsheet, change your financial targets completely, or just want to wipe the slate clean for the fiscal year? Leftover, inaccurate budgets will clutter up your system and mess with your live comparison reporting. Today, I'm going to show you how to completely delete an old or unwanted budget file in just a few clicks. Let's do it. To get to our Master Budget Manager, let's use our favorite quick top search bar shortcut. Glide your cursor all the way up to the top center of your screen and click inside the Master Search box. Type the word Budgets, and when the System Navigation drop-down expands below, click right on the Budgets menu option to jump straight to your dashboard. Once your dashboard workspace loads, look down through your grid list to locate the specific budget file you want to purge from your account. Glide your mouse all the way over to the far right side of that target budget row under the Action column. Right next to the link, click that small drop-down arrow to open up your hidden file management features. At the bottom of that quick menu list, click directly on Delete. A security pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision, reminding you that this action cannot be undone. Go ahead and click the Confirmation button. The window will snap shut, and that unwanted budget is officially and permanently removed from your system data. Now your dashboard is completely clean and ready for accurate forecasting reports. If this quick organization guide helped you out today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.